Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today it's going to be part 2 of how to make money monthly, how to make money daily, how to make money weekly in Nigeria. Okay, any amount that you're making depends on the kind of job that you're doing. Apart from your 9 to 5 or apart from the business that you're doing, these are other side hustles for which you can do in order to make money in Nigeria, or jobs for which you can take as full-time in order to make money in Nigeria. My name is OGOM'S, Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button that you're seeing. Click on the notification bell. First of all, please give me thumbs up for this video and join my membership. So we'll be getting right into the video. Welcome back, guys. So in this part 2 of how to make money in Nigeria, in our first video I talked about how to make 100,000 naira in Nigeria or more, depending on the kind of side hustles that you go into. Okay, apart from your 9 to 5 jobs, there are different side hustles for which you can do. There are different side jobs for which you can do in order to make more money. Our first point here on today's video on how to make money in Nigeria is being a fashion designer. Now, do you know how much a fashion designer charges? Tailor, Obioma, Ndi Obioma, all those people that you see. So you will buy material for 3,000 naira. A tailor will charge you 8,000 naira to sew a material for which you have bought 3,000 naira. They will tell you, they will buy organza, 3,000 naira. They will buy this one. That is an outfit that you have bought for 3,000, and they will be charging you 8,000 naira or more just to sew a normal gown. Now, if you know that you can make outfits for people, please take up this side hustle. It's for you. You can tell people that this is the so time that you will deliver that particular job or you will deliver that particular outfit. When you come back from work, you sew the outfits and deliver to them. If it's for a wedding, you take out time from your 9 to 5 job, make those outfits for them and deliver to them. Now, if you're asking of different outfits for which you can make, I'll be leaving so many of them on the screen. There are different outfits for which you can make. Don't go and patronize a tailor that will do you what I ordered versus what I got. Get a legit tailor, okay? Get a legit tailor that will sew for you different outfits for which you love. December is around the corner. Start now and start taking clothes to your tailor so that you will not be those that will be sleeping in the tailor's shop just because they did not sew your clothes. So fashion designer is another side hustle for which you can take up in order to make more money in Nigeria. Our second point is being a makeup artist. Makeup artist people are catching out. When I mean catching out, they are catching out. But like I tell people, no side hustle is easy. No hustle is easy. Each job comes with its own advantages. Now, do you know what makeup artists go through? Waist pain and the rest of them. But notwithstanding, you can make money from beating people's face. I don't mean you should go and box people. I mean beating people's face. Now, this my makeup is made by the Sherry Makeover, the very badass makeup artist in Nigeria. And this makeup you're seeing right here with the lashes, with the gele, I'll be putting the picture on the screen, goes for 15,000 naira. Now, do you know how much you'll be making if you collect 15,000 naira from 10 people in a day? That is, you are balling. Now, if you know that you can make up perfectly, you can make up perfectly, you can make people up. Now, this is another side hustle for which you can take. Tell them your price. If you know that you're legit, people like Lifer, people like Lovely Gifts, who again does makeup, Mary Black. As in, if you see their makeup is popping. If you know that you can make people up, this is another side hustle for which you can take up. You can charge 15,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, any amount you want to charge. You just have to show us your work so that if you're telling us the price, we will say, okay, you want them. But this particular one I'm carrying right now is from the Sherry Makeover. So being a makeup artist is another side hustle for which you can take up in order to make more money. So another way for which you can make money, or another side hustle for which you can take up in order to make money in Nigeria, is by being a personal shopper. When I mean being a personal shopper is whereby you're posting outfits, you're posting items that people must have not have seen in Nigeria. You go to different sites, legit sites for where you shop from, and you know that people appreciate outfits on your body. Then you can be a personal shopper whereby you post different outfits on your WhatsApp status or on your Instagram, and you're going to add the shipping of that item, you're adding your gain. Now, if an outfit is 2,000 naira and shipping it to Nigeria will collect extra 1,000 naira, and then your gain for one particular outfit is 1,000 naira. That means you're adding all these amounts together, and whatever it gives you, that is how much you'll be charging for an item. So if you know that people appreciate outfits on your body, you can combine outfits together, and you know legit sites that people can shop for quality outfits, then you can take up the job of being a personal shopper. In that way, you are making more money. Okay, so guys, another way for which you can make money in Nigeria is by being a photographer. Okay, being a photographer could be pregnancy photo shoots, birthday photo shoots, pre-wedding photo shoots, wedding photo shoots, 1 month old baby photo shoot, and the rest of them. And you will get to charge people any amount that you feel like. That is if your work is very legit, if your work is very good. Being a photographer requires you taking those pictures, editing those pictures, and sending it to the clients for which you have taken them. And you could be making like 50,000, 30,000, 40,000, depending on the amount you charge those people. So if you know that you could take badass photographs, even with your phone, you'll take pictures, your normal pictures, the angles for which you are giving people is very, very good, and you know that you could handle camera, then you could take the job of being a photographer, charge people your amount, and you could be doing that only in the weekends. In that way, it's not affecting your main hustle, or it's not affecting your main 9 to 5 now job. Another way for which you can make money is what I'm doing right now, being a YouTuber. Okay, if you are a non-content creator watching me right now, and you know that your life is fun, you know that your life is full of activities, then why don't you want to open up your YouTube channel? Open up your YouTube channel, and if you're creating a content around motherhood, lifestyle, a day in your life, cooking, YouTube gets to pay you. YouTube is another way for which you can make money, okay? Showing us your life and you're getting paid for it. Who does that? I'm just showing you how to make ogbono soup or how to make jollof rice, and I'm being getting paid for it. So if you're a non-content creator and you have the skills of motherhood, lifestyle, you're hosting events, and you know that you have the time to create videos around them, of course you have the time to create videos around them, then start creating those videos. Open up your own page, create your own account, and start making money from YouTube. YouTube pays you. Some people will be asking me, does this YouTube even pay? Is their money real? I told them, what is the meaning of is their money real? Of course, you can earn up to $100 every month from YouTube. So many people even earn up to $1,000 on YouTube. So YouTube pays, and their money is real and is even in dollars. You will earn in dollars. So it's not naira. You will earn in naira. So being a YouTuber pays you while you're creating content around your lifestyle. So being a YouTuber could be another source of income for which you have been looking for, but you are ignoring it. Now, another way for which you can make money in Nigeria is being a realtor.
When I want to explain it, my head will be headache me. Yeah.
What I mean by realtor is real estate agents. When you are being a real estate agent is whereby you go to different estates or you advertise a particular estate that is just developing and people have started making payment for that particular land. You will get to advertise to people to buy land from this particular agent, and you are being paid part of the percentage. Maybe if a land is 10 million naira, you're being paid maybe 10% of that 10 million naira. It all depends on what you have discussed with that particular company on how much they're going to be paying you monthly while you're being their real estate agent. So if you know that you have the time to show people around, then you can be a real estate agent and you're getting a percentage out of any money that your client pays. So another way for which you can make money in Nigeria is by being a house agent. What I mean being a house agent is whereby you're showing people different houses, maybe duplex, bungalow, flats, 2-bedroom flats, 3-bedroom flats. And when that client pays, you're being paid either 5%. Okay, if a client pays 5 million naira for a duplex, you are being paid 10% of that 5 million naira, which is 500,000. Okay, you're cashing in 500,000 naira from just one house for which you have shown a client. Now, remember that the higher the price of the house, the higher your percentage. Okay, it all depends on the price for which you have talked with that particular client, or the person or the landlord that have shown you the house to advertise. So being a house agent gives you another source of income, and in that way you are making more now money. Another way for which you can make money is being a hair stylist. Okay, what I mean being a hairstylist is whereby you can braid, you can fix frontals. When I mean frontals, I mean badass frontals. There are some frontals you will go to make. They will be telling you 20,000 naira. That thing that they are coming in front, they will now press it. They will now press it down, and you'll be looking dope like here. They might be charging you 20,000 naira. Some people even charge more than that. Being a hairstylist and you are fixing frontals for people, it pays oh. And if you know that you can braid this knotless braid, you're braiding this knotless braid, you're charging people. This knotless braid for which I have made, they charge me 12,000 naira. 12,000 naira. Now, if you know that you can braid, you can go to people's houses and make their hair, then you can take up the hustle of being a hairstylist. If brides have their weddings, they can call you to come and style their hair, whereby you're fixing those bead thing that they will be using for their wedding. You can do that perfectly. Then you could take the job of being a hairstylist, and you're being getting paid for it. That is another source of income for which you can dive into in order to make more money in Nigeria. Now, another way for which you can make more money in Nigeria is by being a visa agent. Yeah, some people will say, why would you employ the services of a visa agent, whereby you can go online, read up all these things, search for them, and you apply. There are some people that don't really have the time to start going to the internet and start searching for all these things and applying on their own. So you could be a visa agent whereby you apply for visa for people. You will put your percentage. Okay. I remember someone that does visa agent, and any visa that he or she is taking into the embassy and they get to approve it, they will be charging you like 50,000 naira for one passport, or 100,000 naira for one passport. Now, if you can do that legitly, and you have your source, legit source, so not be the one that people will give you money and they will not get their visa. No, you have to be legit. Okay, be a visa agent. If you have Schengen visa plug, Schengen visa plug, or Canada plug, those people that want to travel to Canada, and you know that you can start the process from beginning to finish. Relocation, anything relocation, how to relocate to Canada, all these people that do that, there are people that employ their services whereby they charge those people. They will charge them, they will put their percentage, and when the visa is being approved, they will get paid. So if you know that you have legit plugs for whereby you can take people's passports to the embassy and they get to approve it and you give to your clients, then it can be another way for which you can make money. But you have just been which you can make money in Nigeria is if you're an architect. An architect is whereby you draw houses for people and you will charge that client. If you're charging that client 1 million to draw the person's house, if that person must have given you his or her idea, you are getting paid for putting out your talents out there. So being an architect and being an engineer are two different things, but both of them are now doing the same work, because engineer will tell you, I know what to do. They can build the house, they can draw the house and the rest of them, but they still employ the services of an architect to draw that particular building, to give them the cost of what that building is going to take from start to finish, and them as the engineer is going to charge the client for everything. So if you know that you can draw houses for people, maybe you read architecture in school, then this is another way for which you can make money. Being an architect puts food on your table, gives you another source of income, and in that way you are making more money in Nigeria. So these are another side hustles for which you can take up in order to make money in Nigeria. Now, if you have other side hustles for which people can do in order to make money in Nigeria, please leave it in the comment section. Let's learn. I'm also looking for side hustle to do in order to make more money. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give me thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share any of my videos, and I will definitely see you in my next one. And I'll see you guys. Bye.